Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. As usual, I'm Idris, and today I have something very special I'm going to be sharing with you guys. This has been a gradual process. I had to sacrifice a lot of stuff. I had to cut down on my spendings and stuff to get to this process. But today I'm going to be showing you my 60K portfolio. And most of the how I got this portfolio, actually the 60K is not actually what I invested into the portfolio. I'm going to show you once I open the app to show you how much I got invested into this portfolio. But as of right now, I'm up around 10 to 12,000 depending on the market. So right now I think my portfolio is sitting around 10,000. I think last week it was sitting around $12,000 in profit. And most I'm not to shy around the subject, but most of the stock I picked up during the pandemic, and some of it I'm up around like 300 to 400%. Now if we go down to check how much I actually invested into the portfolio, let's go down to 0.88%. Okay, that's the closest we could go to zero. So as you can see, my total amount I invested into this portfolio was about 47,000, which was the money that came out of my pocket into this portfolio. And now we're sitting at 58,000. So which is as you can see, that's the snowball effect taking place in the portfolio. But now let's jump into what my ups in the portfolio and my downs in the portfolio. But I'm going to try to go through this as fast as I can and actually make you guys see it better. But so I switched this to total returns instead. As you can see, Coinbase down. I own 1 shares and I'm down $138.12. Corsair Gaming, I'm down. This is also a growth stock. I'm down $1.94 for owning 7 shares. Netflix, I'm up $13. I own a fraction of that, 0.134697 shares. Alibaba, I'm down $67.85 for owning 2 shares. Nikola, I only put a little bit money into that, I think around like $20, so I'm 20 or I think $40 into it. I'm down $36, so I own 1.75 shares. T-Mobile, I'm actually up 127.17 I own 1 shares. Revolve, I'm up $750.95. And these are the stocks. I'm coming to the stocks that actually I'm up almost 300% on. So as you can see, 373% in that stock. And Neo, I'm down $17. I own 21 shares. Tesla, I own 2 shares and I'm up $310. Uber, I'm up $125.11 and I'm up 75%. Snap, I'm up 56% and actually I own 1 shares. I think I'm up around 300% on this. Yeah, about 300%, 299%. So PPL, I'm up $40. I own 32 shares. Nordic American Tanker, I'm down $30. I'm trying to sell this stock, but it's not budget. It's not going back to my average cost, but I'm not selling at a loss either. So because every cent counts, so it might go up in the near future, so I would be selling it then. Well, as of right now, I didn't put that much into it. I think I put less than $50 into it, so I'm not really worried about it. Stag Industry, I'm up $92. I own 7 shares. Cisco, I'm up $430. I own 37 shares. BP, I'm up $12. I own 38 shares. Geo, I'm up $194. I'm down $194 and I own 21 shares. This is also a stock I'm trying to sell, but it's down significantly, but it's not budging also. So CVS, I'm up $27 and I own 2 shares. SPHD, I own 34 shares, and I'm up $237.09. ExxonMobil, I'm up $926.52. I bought this when it was down also during the pandemic, and I'm up 40.84%. Apple, I'm up $590 and I own 21 shares. AT&T, I'm down actually $209.96 and I own 82 shares. I sold a lot of my AT&T during the news, when the news came out of the spin-off, and also I invested in AT&T at a high dividend yield. Was kind of risky, so I wasn't trying to put a lot of focus a lot into that company, because I was putting a lot of money towards that company, and we all invested into AT&T for one reason. They have a high dividend yield, which is actually risky. They could get cut anytime, but at the same time we knew the company was in a good place, because but so I sold. Not to go into that, I sold. I think I own about 180 something shares, but I brought it down to 80 shares. So the dividend I get now gets reinvested into the company, which brought up the 2 shares, and now I own 82 shares. So CCL, I'm up $403, and as you can see, I've doubled my money. I bought it at $12, and I'm up $403, and I'm about 105%. Dine Brand, I'm up $334, and I'm up 300% plus. My average cost is about $20 each. I should have bought a lot of that, because I actually knew the company was going to rebound due to the fact that I was actually at dislocations for Dine Brands, Applebee's, and IHOP, and I saw the business was actually good. They were actually still making a lot of lows. There was a lot of orders still coming in, even though people were quarantined. Coca-Cola, I'm up $234.49. I own 62 shares. Disney, I'm up $571.55 shares. I own 12 shares. All Realty, I'm up $311.48, and I own 37.45 shares. GM, I'm up $423, and I own 14 shares. And actually I think I doubled my money in this company also. My average cost was $22. Leggett & Platt, I'm up $178, and I own 12 shares. AbbVie, I'm up $163, and I own 15 shares. Pfizer, I'm up $722, and I own 88 shares. I'm trying to get my Pfizer to 100 shares, but it's trading right now at $42.99, and I'm trying to get it under like 30 something dollars. So hopefully if it goes down to that, then I would be adding more to it. Starbucks, I'm up $416, and I own 34 shares, and $416.34, and I own 13 shares. 3M, I'm up $18, and I own 10 shares. Duke Energy, I'm up $43, and I own 13 shares. Southern, I own 17 shares, and I'm up $90. McDonald's, I'm up $153, and I own 4 shares, 4.51 shares. So XPHD, I'm up XPG, I'm up $364, and I own 5 shares actually. And I think actually I also doubled my money in this company. I bought it at $64, and then right now it's trading at $133. Bought it during the pandemic, also during the sell-off. So Viatris, I'm up $68. That was a free stock I got from the spin-off from Pfizer, and actually I didn't put any money into it, but I think due to the fact that I actually owned, I reinvested my dividend, which is what brought about the average cost. So Kimberly-Clark, I'm up $23. I own 17 shares. Pepsi, I own 9 shares, and I'm up $113. CVX, I own 16 shares and I'm up $127. Caterpillar, I own 0.4 shares and I'm down $3.72. Johnson & Johnson, I'm down $12 and I own 11 shares. Procter & Gamble, this company does not budge. The stock does not budge. I'm trying to own the stock at a reasonable price to see if it comes down. I'm not trying to time the market, but I'm actually trying to see if this stock comes down, but it's not budging. But as of right now, actually, it's been coming down recently due to the sell-off. So probably if I could get it under 135, I would start investing, exposing, myself into the company a little bit. So Verizon, I own 51 shares and I'm down $81. This is where I diversified my portfolio into when I sold most of my AT&T. VTI, which is an ETF, I'm up $25.32 and I own 11 shares. Microsoft, I'm up $244 and I own 8 shares. Lind, I own 1 shares and I'm up $1.44. Kroger, I'm up $9 and I own 11 shares. Lowe's, I'm up $31 and I own 2.42 shares. Colgate, I'm down $10 and I own 98 shares. Clorox, I'm down $3 and I own 9 shares, and I'm trying to buy more of Clorox because this is a daily used in most household use. So the products they make from Clorox disinfectant, and they're actually partnering with a lot of companies during this pandemic. So I see the revenue actually going up. Even when the pandemic is over, I still see this company still having a good balance sheet, and the revenue keep going up, because this is something we actually use on a day-to-day basis. We use disinfectant in the household. We use the Clorox during washing every week or so. So it's a good company to invest in, and they have a good dividend yield of 2.73%. So, and I'm down $3.09 in that. I own 3 shares. Travelers, and I'm down $6.67 and I own 1 share in this company. So that seems to be all for all the stock, and the cryptocurrency I own that actually makes up the whole 10,000 plus in profit I made. So I'm up $98 in Bitcoin, I'm up $8 in Doge, and I'm down $8 in Doge, and I'm up $86 in Ethereum Classic. So that's it for this video, and that's actually what I wanted to show you. And as you can see, this takes a lot of process. This wasn't something that actually happened overnight. So this was something I had to start putting money on unnecessary things and start investing towards the future, which is what we should be doing. And this video is for motivational purpose, and that seems to be all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.